This is Hook and Loop 101.
Let's talk about military products. VELCRO brand military products are broken into two categories. The first are commonly referred to as our mil-spec products. These products meet or exceed the requirements found in Commercial Item Description AA55126B. There are 4 types and 5 classes. The types only apply to the hook. The hook types are broken into 2 main categories: woven and molded. The classes apply to both hook and loop. These classes are based on material and construction. In order to be certified to AA55126B, a product must meet performance and physical characteristics. The first performance characteristic is shear. The second characteristic is peel. The third is break strength. The fourth is dimensional stability. The fifth characteristic is color fastness. The sixth is fray. The seventh is splice break. The eighth performance characteristic is stitch tear. There are 3 physical characteristics that our VELCRO brand products must be tested to in order to certify to AA55126B. The first characteristic is weight. The second characteristic is thickness. And the third is width. VELCRO USA offers a selection of commercial items which meet or exceed the requirements found in AA55126B. Our second category are general products which have military applications. The first is our military colors of 1 wrap. This product is available in Coyote 498, Tan 499, and Foliage Green 504. Both the hook and the loop side match the shade standard. Our second product is our printed loop. This is a high-profile circular knit Loop 3001, which is printed in Multicam VS. The third product is our Loop 3610. This is a low-profile warp knit available in Tan 499 and Coyote 498. The fourth is our HTH 719. This is a unidirectional molded hook. It has extremely high shear and can be released quietly when the hooks are slid out of the loops. Combining all of these considerations with a common nomenclature allows VELCRO brand to best serve you.